Welcome back, everyone. Crowon here again, and we're going to go ahead and tackle UCE Remember Me. So let's go ahead and get that imported into our project and hit imports. Alright, so there it is. Let's go ahead and open that README. Alright, now we got 3 core changes, but they're at least all in one script, so that makes it pretty easy. So we're going to go ahead and grab that script. It's UI login, so it'll be under scripts UI and login. Open that up. And now it's going to have all these are going to be in the click event, so it's pretty easy to find. I'm just going to scroll down a bit, and it's all right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy out that blue text we need called save account. And the first one's going to go here. So let's put it in front of the manager. And then the next one's going to go here at host. And the last one at dedicated. And then go ahead and save. You can close this. Let it recompile. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and collapse this. And now an easy way to collapse this, I know I didn't say it earlier, is if you're in a section, if you hit the back arrow, it'll just come up to here and you hit it again, it'll collapse it up. Hit it again and it'll collapse it. So we can collapse this one as well. And then we're going to go ahead now, and the next section wants us to find the login panel, and then we're going to add a toggle to it. So we're going to go into Canvas here in our scene, find login. We're going to expand both of these, and then click on login, and over in your scene, click F to go straight to it. And now we're just going to go ahead and get kind of straight with it so we can see. Go ahead and click on the login panel. And then if you're don't see these little blue dots, just hit T to get them. And click the edge here and just drag down a little bit. We need a little bit of space for that toggle. Then right click on login panel, go to UI and go to toggle. And we're just gonna drag it up right underneath drop down service so it's consistent. And we're just gonna bring it down a little bit. If you hold shift, you will only drag in one direction instead of getting it all over the place. So line up about there. And we're going to rename toggle to toggle remember so it has a better description base like the rest. Go ahead and expand it and go to label. Let's rename it to Remember Me so we see that appropriately. Give it a color that's close to match. Right about there, looks about right. And then I can collapse that one up. And I'm just going to make this so it's not checked on by default. Someone has to actually check it. And then I'm going to go to login up here at the top, and we're just going to take that toggle remember and drag it onto remember here. Go ahead and save, and then we can collapse all this up, hit play, and now it's going to have the admin in there and the password. This is just standardly hard coded in, so it's always going to show up. So right now if I put in 1 and 2 and I hit login, it's going to say I can't get in. I'm going to restart, and it's not going to say admin 12 now. It's just going to be back. Oop, too many clicks. It's going to say admin. Yep. Alright, so now I'm going to hit remember me. I'm going to put in admin 12 again. And we're going to go ahead and hit login just so it saves. Close it. I'm going to come back in. And now it's going to say admin 12. So if I come in here and let's go ahead and erase this and have it remember back to admin only. Now we're going to go ahead and replay. We're back to admin. I'm going to uncheck remember me. And I'm going to hit, so I'm going to put 12 in here again and hit login. Alright, I'm going to stop and come back, and it should just be admin again. And there it is. And that is literally it for the Remember Me section. So I'll catch you in the next one.